Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Xcode and creating a new iOS app. Choose Swift UI for declarative layout or UI Kit for classic control. Once done, set the deployment target and confirm safe area layout guides are active so the navigation bar won't overlap status items. Next, add a navigation view, Swift UI, or embed your root UI view controller in a UI navigation controller, UI Kit. Make that container the app's window root, so the navigation bar is present for all push screens. You now add the actionable UI. Set the navigation bar title and attach left/right bar button items for actions. In Swift UI use, navigation bar items or toolbar modifier. In UI Kit, add UI bar button item to navigation item. Then style the bar, configure large titles, tint color, and background via appearance proxies so the look is consistent across iOS versions. Also make sure content respects safe area and layout margins so items never hide under the knob. You finish by running the app on simulator and a real iPhone. Verify push/pop transitions, large title behavior, and that buttons respond. Once done, tweak spacing, colors, and accessibility labels so voiceover and dynamic type work. If the navigation bar doesn't appear, make sure your view controller is embedded in a UI navigation controller and that the navigation controller is set as the Windows root view controller. Also check constraints and safe area settings as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.